So this is the second way you can make calls for free on MTN. The first one, we have uploaded it already on this channel. You can check in the comment section and look at the way that you can make call for free. That's the first way. This is the second way that you can make calls for free on MTN. So with this one, it is called the Alpha Bundle. And with the Alpha Bundle, when you do it, or you just need to activate it on your phone. So after you've activated it in your phone, you get free call for 1 month. Okay, free call for 1 month. But one thing is, you have to register, and then also the person that you are calling to should also register. So it's like they should all subscribe to that Alpha Bundle, which means that you have to buy or subscribe to the Alpha Bundle, and I will also have to subscribe to the Alpha Bundle. Then we will make calls for free with that one. Okay, but it's not for everyone. It's not everyone who is going to get this free call for 1 month on Alpha Bundle. And one thing I also got to know is that you can renew it, but with that one I haven't confirmed. So you just have to subscribe and wait for it. I will post in the community if it is monthly, like renewal. You can just renew it every month. I'll just post in the community. So subscribe and then wait for that one too. Since the MTN Alpha Bundle, which is the free call offer, is not for everyone, let's look at the people who can get the MTN Alpha Bundle activated on their phone or SIM card. So this is a message from MTN, and I'm going to play an audio for you to listen. Okay, so listen, they will tell you everything about the MTN Alpha Bundle, and also they will give you some tip. So just listen to the audio and kindly give us a like as well. Thank you for the like. Let's continue.
This call is for free. APA is a platform where we connect farmers, market women, input suppliers, drivers, extension officers, and community health personnel, where they talk among themselves as a family. For 1 month, this offer is available only on MTN Mobile Money. If you want to join APA, press 1.
So just as they said, press 1 if you want to register. I just pressed on the code. Nothing happened after weeks of waiting. They didn't register me on it. So it was one guy who helped me out to register the MTN Alpha Bundle. So just try the code. Just dial the code on the screen and see if they will allow you to register on the site. You just have to mention your name and then tell them if you're a farmer or public worker or anything that MTN was telling you that these people can register the MTN Alpha Bundle. Just do that. Listen and follow all the instruction from the code. Okay. So after that, if it doesn't work for you, check in the comment section. I can help you out. Bye for now. Subscribe for more videos from here. Don't forget to give us a like. Bye.